Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Alrighty, we're back at Moody Town. It's just a little bit after lunch, and we're waiting here on this northbound K446 empty ethanol train. So hopefully this will be the first of several that we're going to catch today. I'm hoping we can catch the 653. We missed a grain train early this morning. I think it was a Q684, I believe is what it was. So it's an awful windy. I hope I didn't mess with the sound too awful bad. Sweet. Like I say, I hope we can catch some more stuff today. If not, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Alrighty, that K446 hadn't got too far up the line yet, and we've got another northbound. I haven't heard him on the the scanner yet. I just heard the defect detector go off at the 225. He's got 336 axles, so I'm assuming he's going to be Q694 or Q652. Very nice. That third unit, I think it was 3440, had something on the nose of it. I'll have to check out and see what that is. I turned the camera at the exact, perfect, terrible moment to catch that. Something Ravenna or something like that maybe. But I'll have that in the description. Alrighty, let's see what else we can get. Alrighty, Moody Town at the 220.15 has been quite the bounty today. We're here again in the evening for the trifecta of trains for today, I guess you could call it that. I'm assuming, I just heard the defect detector and I jumped in White Lightning, aka Fantastic over there, and come flying out. I'm assuming this is probably Q694. I heard Fred the dispatcher, I believe it was talking to him earlier about coming over the crossover and stuff at Bostic. So I think that's probably what this train is going to be. And if you have been following my videos and my guessing and guesstimation of trains in the past, I'm not very good at it. So, but I know it's a train because there's the gates coming down. It's a freight train, so I'm thinking that's probably Q694. Alrighty, everything's been northbound today. I'm assuming those trains probably met at least Q653 somewhere north. So depends on how much the sun stays with us, and if this guy meets that Q653 somewhere around Severe or maybe Rocky, we might be able to catch him. If not, as always, thank you guys so much for watching.